What's going on, beautiful people? I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be working on mocking up the accessory bracket and the bracket for the AC compressor. Chose to go with a different style water pump for a couple of reasons. One, it moves the, the the inlet over to the other side of the water pump versus on the LS1 style water pump, the inlet is over on this side. Wanted to use a different style upper radiator hose. The one that they use uh, is kind of cumbersome, and I want a cleaner look. Uh, and it's a lot different from the truck style water pump as well. Uh, so let me show you what I'm talking about. On the LS1 style water pump, the inlet is on the other side of the pulley. And then with this water pump, I had to use these spacers right here to space it out from the block. And this is the truck style water pump. It was a no-go from the start. So I didn't like the way the upper radiator hose is routed. So went with this and still didn't like it. So I'm gonna go with this one. This one's gonna afford me a cleaner look, a simpler look. I think it's gonna look better all the way around. I'm not sure where I got this bracket from. I can't remember. Can't remember where I got it from. But because of that LS1 style water pump that I used, I had to have some spacers custom made for this bracket. As you can see, I got the AC bracket in place, but I had to do some modifications to it. I had to cut off this ear right here that the bolt feeds into the head. It just didn't have enough clearance between the bracket and the water pump, and I did grind some of it away, but I still didn't have enough clearance, and I did not want to get into grinding away at the water pump. So I just went ahead and cut that mounting hole off. We're still in place with 2 bolts right there and 2 bolts on the water pump. I think that should hold it. There is a bolt that threads through here that engages the head. I'm gonna have to find a spacer uh, to make that work. But overall, I mean, it's mounted on, and it should work. Should work. Just have the bolts tightened down pretty good. Uh, should hold everything down in place. Um, Now I have to work on replacing this back plate on the compressor. When I had the AC line made, paid good money for that, and I don't know what happened, but they over torqued the line on the compressor, and when I was doing the disassembly, it broke off. From what I've read online, that is a common thing. People uh, over torque the nut on the compressor, and this is what happens. So I do have a replacement uh, back plate. I just need to get it in place. I wanted to get this mocked up first before I went any further. But I mean, it's coming along, coming along. I mean, the accessory bracket should mount in place with no problems. So, all right.